My name is Mary Vincent Mosha. I'm Thrive PhD Fellow. I'm working with Kilimanjaro Christian Medical University College as a lecturer under the Institute of Public Health. I'm a nutritionist by profession. I received the funding, it was in end of 2016, so I started in 2017. And my research work is on non-communicable diseases, but specifically I'm working with overweight and obesity in children. Previously, in low and middle income countries, for example in Tanzania, we were experiencing a lot of cases of undernutrition, but with change in technology and globalization, urbanization issues, now we have changed. We have a double burden of malnutrition. We have overweight and obesity in one side, but at the same time we still face the problems of underweight. And this is mostly accelerated by the change in lifestyle, which affect the dietary patterns and physical activity levels. For my research, I discovered that overweight and obesity is really a problem in children. For Kilimanjaro, I found the prevalence was around 15%, which is quite high. So it's not something to ignore. I also observed children who are thin. So there are two forms of malnutrition occurring in Kilimanjaro. But even other people who has done similar studies in some parts of the country, they observed similar findings. So now it's time to change your mentality, because we usually focused on undernutrition only, but now it's time to think on the fast growing burden of overweight and obesity in children. So not only focusing on the things which can lead to undernutrition, but also trying to look at the society in a broader picture, because we usually say that overweight and obesity is not as a problem of a single child, but there's a lot of other factors which are surrounding the individual child. So we have to make sure that we include all other factors in order to understand this problem in detail. Yeah, so ours was a student-centered project, and it was done in St. Mary Goretti Secondary School, working with a nutrition class. They designed some activities, and we managed to conduct several, but because of the COVID outbreak, some were not possible. So we had a health promotion activity, because their objectives were to train or to teach their younger ones, the primary school children, about healthy eating and physical activity. So we managed to do a health promotion activity with one of the primary schools in Kilimanjaro. And now we developed a comic book in which we are going to launch it today at the school. In the school, of course, you see like students who are very, very happy, and they were eager to learn, because they even asked me questions when I was there about nutrition, sometimes about reproductive health. And we designed several programs, because I remember they wanted to get like a kind of a workshop from the reproductive health unit, but then it wasn't possible because of COVID. For this one, it has been an opportunity for me to involve, because even parents are aware. The time we were doing activity in in primary schools, even parents were aware what was going on, and we distributed stickers for like a healthy plate model to take them to the parents, for children to take them to the parents or to take them home. So at least you see something is going on, because I was receiving phone calls like, okay, we have seen this kind of health plate model, and even parents were happy, like they were saying, our children now are trying to see to watch what they are eating. Yeah, so it's a good thing. And also we had a plan of inviting the time, because today we'll just be launching the book at the school, but we have to involve the school health coordinator from the municipal, and the teacher or member of parliament. Also, I'm thinking when we are going to like deliver the book officially to the, like at least it has to be known by the government.